Hey guys, welcome to Art Column. In this video, we would be watching about 5 qualities of Roger Federer. For regular updates, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Before knowing the qualities of Roger Federer, let's know a bit about him on his personal front. Roger Federer was born on August 8, 1981 in Switzerland, is a Swiss tennis player who dominated the sport in the early 21st century with his exceptional all-round game. Roger is married to Mirka and they later became parents to 4 children, twin girls and twin boys. 5 qualities of Federer. Number 1. No major weakness. Federer has no major weakness in his game. There is almost nothing that he cannot do on a tennis court. Almost all other tennis greats have their share of weaknesses. For example, Rafael Nadal is not very comfortable playing closer to the nets, Novak Djokovic does not have very good drop shots, and Pete Sampras could not control the game from the baseline. However, Federer is comfortable doing all the above things and more. Federer could achieve this consistency because his game is devoid of any major weakness. Number 2. Ability to elevate the quality of his serve at crucial moments. Federer is not a big server like John Isner, nor does he possess a serve as perfect as Pete Sampras's either. He has the ability to elevate the quality of his serve according to the demand of the situation, especially during crucial moments. Number 3. The greatest forehand of all time. Federer unquestionably boasts of the greatest forehand ever seen in men's tennis. His forehands are not as powerful as those of somebody like Juan Martin, nor are they full of vicious top spin like those of Rafael Nadal, but they are second to none in terms of effectiveness and sheer beauty. Federer caresses the ball like an artist and subsequently the court gets painted with his immaculate strokes. He can also alter the speed and trajectory of his strokes, thereby making things even more difficult for his opponents. Number 4. Pre-planned move. In spite of being a superb grass court player, Federer has the ability to control the rallies from the baseline. In the 2007 Wimbledon final against Nadal, he demonstrated this ability instead of coming to the net frequently. He was wary of Nadal's awesome passing shots and preferred to stay on the baseline for most of the match. This ability to improvise separates Federer from the rest and makes him such a formidable opponent in all the surfaces. Number 5. Calm and composed. Like all great champions, Federer has the ability to absorb pressure and stay unmoved. In his early stages, Roger was an aggressive player. Roger had all the skills in the world but could not play to his potential. Times in his mid of his career, his coach helped him with his aggressive attitude towards the game who passed away sooner. This changed him in many ways and he started absorbing the game pressure very well, that automatically his career saw growth which eventually made him the best in his field. He does not ooze intensity like Nadal, neither is he as mechanical in his approach as Djokovic. Federer is friendly and unassuming, and that is why he is able to relax and unwind at times. This is also the reason why he has been able to maintain his winning streak even at the age of 36. His transformation from aggressive to composed type is one of his greatest and hardest earned achievement according to him. With all these qualities over the year, the Swiss star Federer has won a record 20 Grand Slam championships, including 8 Wimbledon titles and 6 Australian Open titles. A feat later matched by his sole competitor Rafael Nadal is the most in tennis history. Roger Federer, as per 2021, is the 5th best male player in world tennis and is the maker and breaker of several other records and is also one of the highest earning athletes in the world. Federer has already sketched what after retirement. He added, "After my career, I will not sit on the sofa. Recently, I bought an autobus from the 60s. I am looking forward to travel with it. Europe is little, everything is easily accessible, traveling is easier than ever." Ready to relax with not so many sporting obligations, Federer, nicknamed Federer Express, is all ready for his retirement trip around Europe. That's it for the video. Hope you liked the video. If so, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Until next time, this is Shivani signing off. Thank you for watching.